Hi guys, today we're going to make Thai basil chicken. First step is to season your chicken with ground black pepper, salt, and paprika powder. Next step is to heat up a pan over medium-low heat. Then add in your oil. And sauté your onions until it softens. Once softened, add in your garlic and sauté for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add in your chicken. This recipe is originally really spicy, but because I don't enjoy the food when it makes me cry because of the spiciness, so I will just add a little bit of chili pepper. And what I do is I will just deseed it into the pan. But if you prefer it more spicy, then just add more chili peppers. It's completely up to you. And don't forget to add in a little bit of fish sauce in it. This makes it more savory. Stir fry your chicken until fully cooked. Lastly, turn off your heat, add in your basil, and cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.